Most Travis Scott stocked ever, huh? Then why we all in, get a pair? What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And in 4K, I'm going to review the Travis Scott Jordan 1 Low Medium Olive. Yes, sir. And I'm not gonna lie, this is like out of that mocha situation and all that. This is the first time I actually got one of these army green olive mocha situations. And not bad, man. Actually, they kind of killed this. I know if you don't know, this is just a play of the reverse mocha. What a mocha is where you get your army olive green. But somehow I think this is more stylish. You don't believe me, right? Hit the B-roll. Yes, sir. So, if we talking about like comparing them, I believe this is like in the top 3 of the Jordan 1 lows. It could be like because it's recent and my feelings, but the blue and yellow ones, they were a little loud to me. They did sponsor that Lanny color situation. That's why I was digging them, but a little loud. Believe it or not, these ones here might be my favorite. I know it's just black and white, look like a newspaper or whatever, but I really, really like these the best. The B on the back for his daughter. These was the joints I really was feeling. But right now, these stand 1 and 2 in my collection. Y'all let me know in the comment section below, what's your top 3? And without further ado, let's get into the review. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So I believe we've seen this box before. Maybe in a reverse situation. I have so many Travis Scotts, the SBs, the lows, the highs, dunks. The low, the high, Jordan 1s. I believe we've seen this box before. If not, definitely in reverse. But this is like mocha on white. Kind of looks like the SB box. It's mocha on white. I'm not sure why it's mocha on white when it's an olive sneaker. Maybe it is an olive look. I don't know, guys. Y'all be the judge. But nice, shiny box. It reads 1985 Air Jordan 1 on the side, just like any other regular Jordan 1 without the collab. And it says Air Jordan 1 Low OG SP Medium Olive Black Sail Muslin. When you take the lid off, the inside is also, that's mocha, guys. Y'all can't tell me that's green. All that chocolate in there, I guess. And you get your signature pink Travis Scott paper. Even did the pink shoestrings again. I don't know what's the obsession. Let's start with the right shoe. Yes, sir, man. Here's a 360 view of the medium olive Travis Scott Jordan 1 lows. Yeah, I'm going to give y'all something quick. When I was on my Jordan 1 high craziness, I never thought I would wear a low or a medium. Look at me with these lows now. I'm still not doing the mids, but the lows is super dope. Start with the toe box. All it's missing is a martini, guys. That's all it's missing, man. That's straight olive, and it's soft. Soft material, guys, man. This is quality. That's what the SP for, the special. Around here, you get some white leather. Firm leather. I felt better before, but definitely great leather. It's not like they ain't skim us on the leather. The leather's great. Even got some tumbleness in the leather. But the highlight is the toe box, guys. Let's go up. That medium olive creep back in and get your signature special Travis Scott backward swoosh. This is becoming like out of control. Even the Greek Freak adopted this swoosh. But I don't think no one does it like Travis Scott. But look close, man. Very, very great material back there. Little low sock liner, man. I thought these was higher in another Travis Scott, but I could be bugging. But you get a olive green sock liner. Let's get to the back. This is the right shoe. Remember, the Air Jordan 1 logo is on the back of the right shoe, guys, with more of that quality white leather. Down here, I guess, is your museum off-white colorway. You know, make the sneaker look vintage. Let's go inside the inside. That's where you get that Cactus Jack famous logo right there with a regular swoosh. Let me show you how the leather on the swoosh, though. Get in there, man. A lot of tumbleness in that leather, man. Look like it's straight off a motorcycle jacket. But back to the inside, same quality as the outside, guys. So in here, we got pink laces like I told you. I mean, I still think the pink and green will go hard. I'm not going to lie. I just don't know why we needed the pink here. Inside of the sneaker, you got that Travis Scott. So to be honest, nothing in the sneaker is new that we haven't seen from Travis Scott. It does come with shoe trees. If you're trying to spot fakes, it comes with shoe trees. I haven't reviewed the sneaker in a while with shoe trees. It's just been in paper. But that's more the inside. So what I was saying was, with this Travis Scott, we haven't seen nothing that we haven't saw already. This didn't give us nothing new. Let's go to the tongue here. Again, we seen this before. Doesn't make it not dope, but we seen it before. The Cactus Jack logo on the side of the tongue. Nike Air logo in white and red on a green olive tongue. Here's the left shoe here. The bottom is all army olive look. I like it. Everything adds up besides the back. Instead of the Air Jordan 1 logo, you get the Cactus Jack smiley face. I like this logo now. I didn't like this logo before, but I kind of like this logo now. I didn't tell y'all it comes in the white shoelaces, which I'm swapping out ASAP, even though it's a good match. Another shoe tree. And the inside of this one has a Jordan Jumpman with the Cactus Jack logo. So from right to left, the inside does change, guys. There's no other shoelaces in here. And it's weird that Travis Scott only come with one shoelace. Let me check the box.
A few moments later.
Haha, there we go. It was in the box. You get black wax shoelaces also. I get the black because of the swoosh. I think I'm going to be doing the pink, guys. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. Yes, sir, man. Travis Scott don't miss, man. He don't miss. I know he tried to go away and do them, whatever those tennis sneakers was, man. I didn't even pay those no attention. This is where the bread and butter is. He made Jordan 1s cool as heck, man. I like the vintage look on this sneaker. I'm not a big, huge fan of green, but I like these, man. I really like these. So, it's supposed to be another restock on his website. I know a lot of people was waiting for it yesterday. That's why I waited to do the video. But that didn't happen yet. Again, they said this is the largest stock, second to the blue and yellow joints, but it still was hard to get, man. I entered 12 raffles, didn't hit on one, didn't hit on sneakers, didn't hit on Travis Scott website. I paid the resale, man. Even though I know prices is gonna go down a little lower, wifey got these for me, man, on the resale market. Cop Little Man a pair too. I think around like $430. I haven't checked since she copped them because I don't like to feel depressed, man. So once I get a sneaker, I take it out my once. I don't even look at the resale market because you don't want to get hurt sometimes. You know what I mean? They worth the money though, because you know in a couple months what the sneaker gonna be. Even the blue and yellow ones that had a lot of stock, look at the price now. So you just never know with Travis Scott. It's never a sure thing, man. But let me know how y'all feel about these in the comment section below. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.